Assalamu alaikum. Now we will start with topic 4.4. We will talk about torque and the Newton laws. Here we need to keep some information which has torque equal force times R, which is the length, times sine theta. F is the force, R is the length, and theta is the angle between the force and the length. Torque unit is in Newton meters. Okay, don't forget the length always in meters. Okay, so a student pulls a wrench with a force. He gave me F, which is 52, which makes an angle theta, which is 40. Find L, which is the similar to R, that produces torque of 35 Newton meter. So again, apply straightforward. The torque equal F R sine theta. The torque is 35 equal F 52 multiplied by L, which we need to find, times sine 40. Here you will get the answer straight away if you do shift solve. It will be L equal 1.05 meter. What is the torque for question 18? What is the torque on a bolt produced by 15 Newton force? So he gave me F equal 15 exerted by a perpendicular to the wrench, yani theta equal 90. That is 25 centimeters long. 25 centimeter. Again, here we need to change it, divide by 100. So it is 0.25 as shown in the figure. Okay. Torque equal F times R times sine theta equal F, which is 15, multiplied by 0.25 multiplied by sine the 90, which is 1. The answer is 3.75. So let's move on with the KPIs. If we go to question number 19, again here we need to put some information related to Newton laws and inertia. So here keep in mind that the torque equal inertia times the acceleration, the rotational acceleration. I is the inertia, and keep in mind the acceleration equals to delta omega over time, which is the angular speed. What else? Okay, that's it for now for these type of questions. So let's read the question. When a motor provides a torque, so he gave me a torque which is 542 Newton meter. It accelerates a solid cylinder, a cylindrical flywheel, and he gave me the mass equal 10 kilogram. It's from rest, so W initial equal 0 to final speed, which is 8.5 radian per second. He gave me the time, which is 4.1. Okay. Calculate or find the moment of inertia. So in order to find the moment of inertia, which is this one, we need to find I. So first of all, he gave me the torque, so I need to find acceleration. So the acceleration, it's delta omega over time, which is omega final minus omega initial over the time, which is omega final, which is 8.5 minus 0 over the time, which is 4.1. So the answer in this case will be equal to 2.073 radians per second squared. Here, let's go to find I, which is torque over acceleration. Torque 442 over 2.07. So the answer will be 261.4. For question, don't forget, the unit for the inertia, it's kilogram meter squared. A flywheel having a moment of inertia, so we have I equal 5, starts from rest, W initial 0, and accelerates under constant torque equal to 3 Newton meter. What is the angular acceleration? So it needs A. So from this one, torque equal inertia multiplied by acceleration, torque equal 3, inertia 5 multiplied by acceleration, acceleration equal to 3 over 5, which is 0.6 radians per second squared. And that's it for this part. Thank you.